Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your Apple ID banner. This links the name shown in Imessage to your account. Once there, make sure you are signed into the Apple ID you use for messages and that iCloud and Messages are toggled on. If you have multiple Apple ID, this prevents misapplied name changes. Now tap Name, Phone Numbers, Email to view the contact card tied to your account. This is the origin for the display name in iMessage. You now edit the My Card contact that iMessage uses. Tap Edit on the contact card, then change your first, middle, last, or add a nickname field if you prefer that shown. Make sure the formatting matches how you want it displayed to others. iMessage pulls the contact name exactly. Once done, save the contact. If you use contacts app groups or linked contacts, unlink duplicates so iMessage reads the primary card you just updated. After saving your contact edits, close Settings and force Quit the Messages app to prompt a refresh. Reopen Messages and give iCloud a moment to sync. You should see your new name in conversations where your contact card is used. If it doesn't update, toggle Messages off and back on under iCloud, then restart the device. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or check for duplicate contacts. Those are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.